Welcome to Pathfinder, and we are going to do or show you a simple step for removing the pollen filter or fixing the pollen filter for R50 Nissan Pathfinder. Okay, you could see that where exactly it to be fixed and how to be done. It's very simple and it is DIY. Okay, first of all, remove this piece. Okay, by just opening the dashboard, and okay, there is two screw that has to be removed. Okay, and then remove the dashboard. By removing the dashboard, you will be having similar to these two pins underneath here. Okay, that we have just removed. Okay, then there is 1 2 3 4 5 and down 2 screws has to be removed. That again we have removed. You might have seen it's really easy and simple. You only need to have a screwdriver, the star screwdriver, as well as yeah, a cutter. All right, and you could see the slot over here which is not cut. Okay, and we are just going, we have already cut it. We just need to remove that slot opening. You could see this. All right, and we have just removed it. All right, now you could see the evaporators inside and a lot of trash and dust inside within the car. We just need to clean it and see whether this area is very smooth enough to enter the filter. Okay, now I'm going to show you the filter which has come for some Nissan Altimas as well as Y61 Nissan Patrol. This is a filter and two-piece filter along with a clip. You will get it to fix it. The filter has to be fixed like this, so it will conjoin and slot, fix it into the slot, and there is a lock that has to be locked down. Okay, now you see I'm going to fix the filter, right? It has to be like this. Now I will show you an easy method. There is a zigzag portion over here. You see, the filter has to be placed on top. Okay, and first pose it.